Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Nye, and this is Slay the Renee Way, a place where passionate entrepreneurs can come to grow, glow, and succeed in their small businesses. So if that sounds like you, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button because your girl is dropping gem after gem after gem. Today I want to talk to you guys about the best appointment scheduling site or app that you can use if you are a small business owner or in the beauty industry. Tell you all about it and tell you how you can actually use it for your small business. So let's jump right into this video. The app that I'm going to be introducing you guys to today is called ReadyHub. And ReadyHub, like I said earlier, is a scheduling software. Now, we all know as small business owners, we all could utilize a scheduling software site or app into our small businesses to just make things a little bit easier as far as running, scheduling appointments, services, selling your products, and things like that. So before we jump into all the benefits of using ReadyHub, I do want to go down the list of why you actually might need a scheduling software for your small business and what are the uses for scheduling booking sites, especially for small business owners and beauty professionals. If you're a makeup artist, a hairstylist, a lash technician, a nail tech, anything that has to do with cosmetics or beauty professionals, we all know how challenging it can be to successfully run your small business, especially as a beauty professional when you have so many clients, so many consultations, so many appointments. ReadyHub does all the hard work for you. As beauty professionals, we do kind of need that woosah type of moment where we know that everything is taken care of and our clients are going to be able to book our services without any hassle. Benefit number one, it will help you to efficiently schedule your clients and appointments. First off, ReadyHub is already going to manage all of your appointments for you. It has a really simple and easy to use interface. I know a lot of different apps that I have looked into. Some of them are kind of complex for both the customer and the small business owner to utilize. ReadyHub makes it really simple to use. We don't necessarily need to be spending a long time investing in the learning curve of a new software when we have so many other things to manage and navigate through our business. So I love that it has an easy to use interface. It will track all of your progress for you. They also will let you set reminders so that you can notify a client that they have an appointment coming up, and also will notify you if you have a client coming up. That's another thing that I've seen personally people have a hard time with is double booking yourself because you didn't have that reminder for both your client and yourself to remind yourself that, okay, hey, on this time I have this appointment coming up. I can't actually accept a new appointment at this block or this hour. So I really like that it's really easy to use and navigate. That's benefit number one. But benefit number two is saves time. And y'all already know how I feel about saving time when we're running a small business. We're delegating so many different tasks throughout our day just on a regular. If there can be one thing to alleviate some of the stress and time in one area of your business, you're already pushing yourself into being able to work more efficiently in other areas. ReadyHub does all the hard work for you. As beauty professionals, we do kind of need that woosah type of moment where we know that everything is taken care of and our clients are going to be able to book our services without any hassle. So with ReadyHub, the software will help you to automate certain tasks. This includes things like I just said, like your appointment reminders, your follow-ups, and cancellation. You won't have to go in and manually do, because with ReadyHub, they make it super simple for you to make sure that your reminders are sent out, your appointments are canceled if they needed to be canceled, and that you're also getting follow-ups after your appointments. That's something that I have not seen before, because say you're a lash technician and you had this really awesome client, you both had a good experience with this service. You do want to kind of have a follow-up after your appointment so that you can notify your customer and get a review, get different services, and maybe see if they want to come book with you again. Some of that is going to funnel into more sales quantities and higher sales volume, just because ReadyHub is going to automate those things for you. You won't have to go back through your client list and double check with everyone and say, hey, how was your service? Which you can do, but I'm saying this software will do it for you. This means that you can spend more time doing things around your business. So say you're a hairstylist and you have to set up your braiding hair on your braiding hair station. You can actually spend more time doing that as opposed to having to send reminders, send texts, cancel appointments, follow up with your client. Same thing with nail technicians, makeup artists, all those things. I really love anything that's going to save us some time so we can keep making this money. So we love that. And then benefit number three is the increased productivity, which goes back into benefit number two with time saving. Anytime you're saving time, you're always going to be able to increase your productivity in another area of your business. The scheduling software and delegating all of the appointments and scheduling and things like that, those are administrative tasks. And those are things that obviously we have to do because we have to make sure that our business is running smoothly. But with a software like this, you're going to be able to have those things done for you. And this is going to just leave you more time to grow your business. So while you're pushing off the task of having to do all the administrative tasks as far as running the efficiency of your scheduling, You'll be able to do more social media posting, make more social media content. If you have an email list, you'll be able to spend that time sending out your email list. Content creation goes with your business running smoothly and getting your business out there. But like I said, anytime you're doing a service like this, lashes, hair, makeup, nails, it requires so much time to one client that you may not have the time to actually capture all the content that you need, or follow up with your last appointment that you just had. Girl, ReadyHub got it all taken care of for you. And then so that's going to bring us into our benefit number 4, which is better customer experience and service. Today's world, y'all, with everyone being a small business owner, you have to have good customer service. It's just a given. Like, if you don't have a good customer service, your business it's doomed, okay? So with ReadyHub, you'll be able to respond to your clients more quickly and efficiently, because you're not just using Instagram DMs to book your clients. You actually have a set software where your customers will go to this page and they will look at all the services you offer, the times that you have available, what your cancellation fees are, what your policies and things like that are. They're able to book you through that. This is going to alleviate some of the back and forth that you have to do, which eliminates the conversational aspect and makes sure that it's easy for your customer to book you. You do not want somebody to be so interested in booking your service or your product, and then they get to doing that and it's like, I have to jump through hoops and hurdles to get to you because I got to DM you, email you, text you, do all those different things just to book my appointment. Don't do that to yourself. Make sure that you're using a software like ReadyHub so that customer service is top notch, okay? You're going to get new customers, repeat customers, and build strong customer relationships. I always encourage everyone who's an entrepreneur or a small business owner to make sure that you're not just focusing on delivering quality service and products, which that's a given. Make sure that you're building strong relationships with every person that comes to your website or purchases from you or books a service with you, because you never know if this could be a potential opportunity for a long-term relationship with a client and a service provider, or a client and a small business owner. We just want to have our clientele be on lock, and we want to make sure that they are guaranteed good quality, good service. Make sure that your customer service is key. And there's a lot of other benefits. Improved business performance. You're going to be able to scale your business. Understanding your performance. So you're going to be able to understand like what times are normally booked up. They're going to help you track the progress. It's very cost effective. A lot of these scheduling softwares kind of cost a lot of money. Obviously, you'll be paying a monthly fee or a yearly fee. But with ReadyHub, you do pay a monthly fee, and they do give you a 30-day free trial. So I will encourage you guys to click the link below in my description box. Start your 30-day free trial. Give it a try. See how you like it for yourself. I feel like personally it's an essential tool for any small business owner. It's going to just help you save time, manage your clients efficiently and effectively, increase your productivity, provide better quality customer service, enhance the communication between you and your customers, make sure that you're able to actually track your sales progress, track your bookings, follow up with your clients. I mean, the benefits are endless, you guys. So like I said, don't forget to check the link down below in my description box. Go ahead and give it a try. It's free for 30 days. Okay, so let's talk about some of the features of using ReadyHub. For my small business owners, your features are going to include managing your calendar and your bookings. Never miss another appointment. Your clients will self-book 24/7, which means you have to really do nothing. You set up all of your bookings and ReadyHub takes care of the rest of it for you. You're going to have a waitlist feature, integrations with your Google Calendar, different work hours and availability. You can also send the automatic notifications and reminders that we talked about earlier, which I love that feature. That's one of my favorite features because I feel like it can become a hassle if you yourself can't remember when your client is booking your appointment, especially if you have a really booked up calendar. I'm just telling you right now, you don't want to miss out on money because you could remember to send a reminder about an appointment. So the other features that I like are marketing your business. The thing about ReadyHub is they actually have a marketplace for you to post your services so that you can actually get discovered. So yes, you will be doing your posting on your social media account, but with ReadyHub, they already have a marketplace that you can reach new customers with, receive verified reviews, and we need the reviews to keep our customers coming back. Share your best content on our inspiration section. If you have your most famous style or your most favorite nail design or whatever the case may be, you can post that content on their inspiration tab, and people who are coming to the app to book a service can go through the inspiration tab and your content could get discovered that way as well. I love that. You manage your payments. You can choose how you want to receive your payments via cash or card. Automate your chargeback response. We need that. I know there's entrepreneurs that can relate right now. When it comes to those chargebacks, it can become a lot of a headache. This stuff is automated for you. If there's a chargeback response that needs to be made, it's going to be done for you, okay? Receive payments into your wallet and cash out anytime you want. We also have analytics, which every entrepreneur should be tracking their analytics no matter what business you're in. With ReadyHub, you can see which of your services are most popular, stay on top of all your transactions, and generate your different reports. Monitor your financial performance over time. You'll know whether or not a service needs to be promoted more or less based on your analytics. You can send and collect waiver forms. So say you're doing lashes and you want to make sure that you have specific things that go onto a waiver. You're actually going to be able to send out a waiver in the app, which we need that. And those are a lot of the features, but it's pretty much like having a 24/7 business virtual assistant because you set up everything and it's pretty much taken care of for you. If you are looking into a scheduling software, there are thousands of them out there, but I can go ahead and make it a little bit easier on you while you're doing your research. I'm going to tell you about ReadyHub, and I know a couple of you guys have probably heard of Acuity. These are two different scheduling softwares and both have different features. Alright, so let's start off with the pricing because that's pretty much the biggest thing we're all looking for. Acuity charges $27 to $35 a month, whereas ReadyHub is a standard fee of $25 a month. So just off the break, you're already saving a couple dollars with using ReadyHub. Acuity is also only a scheduling tool, whereas ReadyHub has scheduling and marketplace like I just talked about. Not only will you be able to schedule your services, but they also have a marketplace. Acuity does not offer a section for reviews, whereas ReadyHub does. You also have to handle your own chargeback claims, and that's a headache, you guys. Let ReadyHub do that for you. There's no option to message your clients directly from the Acuity app, and I feel like as a small business owner, we need to have that direct one-on-one option just in case your customer has a question. They have the option to message you directly in the ReadyHub app. That's Acuity versus ReadyHub. I hope that was an easy to see comparison and you already know which one you should go with. And one more for you guys, just like I just said, there are so many different booking platforms out there for beauty professionals. I've heard of StyleSeat, but I gotta go ahead and give y'all the real, okay? I gotta tell you what the difference between StyleSeat and ReadyHub is. So once again, we're going to talk about pricing. With StyleSeat, you actually have to charge your clients for booking fees. Whenever it comes down to a bunch of fees that I don't really understand, I kind of get like, I'm not really feeling that. That's just me personally. But with ReadyHub, there are no fees charged to your client to actually book your services, which we love that. StyleSeat only has email and live chat support, whereas ReadyHub offers dedicated account specialists. So this means you got like 24 access to any type of help and support that you could need via phone and email. StyleSeat, there's no offering for group bookings. With ReadyHub, you can do like group bookings, group workshops. I've just never seen that before, and I really think that's something that's going to put you on the edge if you're trying to outdo your competitors in the beauty industry. If you have a group booking or a group workshop option, I mean, girl, you doing your thing because we ain't seen that before. StyleSeat, they also like charge commission on your bookings, and ReadyHub does not. So there's a lot of differentiations between the fees, and I feel like that was one of the biggest things. You don't want to have to go to juggle your calls and manage your DMs and do all those different things to get your customers booked. ReadyHub takes care of all of those different things for you, and you don't have to worry about any fees, unnecessary charges going into your customer just booking your service. That pretty much wraps up this video, you guys. Y'all know anytime I find out any new gem, I'm going to share with my girls, and the summertime is coming, y'all. So if you're interested in getting your customers booked up for the summer, having your calendars filled all the way up, having a really easy to use booking software system, it's going to give you a peace of mind when it comes down to perfecting your craft and solidifying your clientele over this summer and for future years to come. So I highly recommend you guys check the link down below in my description box. Download this app and try the free trial for yourself. Let me know what you guys think about this. If you have a scheduling software already, you can still go ahead and just do the free trial. I've given you guys pretty much everything that I can for this video, so I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much to ReadyHub for sponsoring today's video. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Peace.